that language. It's completely inappropriate, especially for somebody your age.
I can't live here. It's too much. That time when I was 13 years old, you got have nothing in my life.
I have goosebumps watching that.
I was the one that like instigated the whole thing anyway.
She just says she instigated the entire thing. A model broke a rule and she had her friend voted out. She was punished during the photo shoot and the judges interrogated her to the point where she was crying. Again, all because she broke this rule in the house. Is it that bad? I'll let you be the judge.
Apparently, Lynn and Jackie decided to sneak out last night, and the producer of the show calls a house meeting.
Tell us why you broke the rules. Why did you disrespect the competition?
I was talking about the internet, and I was like, I really want it. Then mentioned, oh, what about we can sneak out? And I was like, hey, that's a good idea.
I wanted a drink and Jackie wanted internet. And I said that, well, we can get it internet at my house.
I'm not saying that it's all her fault. I'm saying, like, I completely agreed to it. And
I just want to know whose idea it was.
Both of them?
You think it's fair?
I know it's not fair. I know everyone wants internet. It's just that...
I mean, if you know that it's not fair, then why didn't you think about it before even doing it?
Okay, wait, why are they bringing in the whole house for this? If they want to punish these two girls for breaking the rules, okay, get them two together and then talk to them about it. But then to bring in all the girls, just what's the point? Unless you want them to be publicly persecuted by their peers.
Why didn't you think about it before even doing it?
Because I've been dumb.
I'm here to find out who the mastermind is.
You know what? Can I just take full responsibility and go home?
Lynn is not the mastermind of sneaking out. She's the instigator because she has an alcohol problem.
For me, I can say that I'm responsible for even providing her the internet. But for me, like, I have no motivation. But I mean, if I can get a drink, awesome.
You were the one who mentioned wanting to sneak out. Don't put this
Then
all
why
on
did you
me.
take full responsibility? I'm not putting it on you.
So they left the model house to get internet and to have a drink or something. And that was breaking the rules. And they wanted, she said, oh, it was Lynn's idea. But I agreed to it. Okay. How did they get transportation out of there? How did they manage this? I don't know.
I'm not saying that I'm the mastermind. I'm not saying you're the mastermind.
The reasons are really stupid. It's kind of pathetic. Like, I wanted to play Facebook. I wanted to drink.
I don't know. I've just never been in a group of such judgmental people and stuff.
No, it's being judgmental. You bring it on yourself, really.
Even when I went down to get water, you got mad at me. I went down
Because
to
you were
take-
like staring at me.
I was not staring at
You
anyone.
were, and I was just like, just don't look
I
at
was
me.
probably looking at the. I was not looking at you. Then you go, what?
I can't handle people that expect everything in life to come to them like without.
You think? Wait. You think everything just comes to me?
I think you're a spoiled little brat. That's what I
You think I'm a spoiled brat? That time when I was 13 years old, you got have nothing in my life. You got spoiled brat. Shut the. You think you're the only one that's had I'm not the spoiled brat. Never going that. You were going to be a spoiled brat.
That's what I think.
They are really bad. They all hate her.
Oh my God. I have goosebumps watching that. Like her bringing up that her dad passed away is just really sad. And I just see a lot of pain. Her yelling, I wasn't like, oh, like she's angry about something. I'm like, she's in pain. I feel for her. Like, I'm sad that she has to go through this. The girls are talking and explaining, and then they have this voiceover of this producer going,
Who is the mastermind? I want to know who did it. Okay, but why did you do that?
like just interrupting them. It's like this clipped in voiceover of a producer that's trying to get to the bottom of this. Yet you involved the whole house. What do any of these girls have to do with it? The two girls who snuck out, deal with it privately. Tell them, hey, you broke the rules. 1, 2, 3, whatever. But to say, okay, now we need to have everyone be sitting here and listening to this, to where we have girls chiming in to something that's it's none of their business. Like everyone's losing their minds because she wanted to. Someone mentioned going on Facebook. Maybe she's expecting a friend request. I don't know, but I don't care that she snuck out. I really don't.
I was talking about the internet, and I was like, I really, really want it. Then mentioned, oh, what about we can sneak out?
Okay, so she literally says who it is. She's like, oh, she said we can sneak out.
I'm here to find out who the mastermind is.
You know what? Can I just
That
take
voice
over
is
phone?
just annoying at this point. I'm here to find out who the mastermind. Yeah, and if you stop talking with your AI voice, you could. If you listen, you have the answer. You're gonna keep yapping. We're never gonna find out.
She's the instigator because she has an alcohol problem.
For me, I can say that I'm responsible for even providing her the internet.
Whoa. Okay, Charlotte, that was too much. You saying, oh, because she has an alcohol problem. Why is she putting her on blast? What if she does actually have a drinking problem? Then you're putting her business out there. I don't like that. And I defended Charlotte in the other episode, okay? But I don't like this what I'm seeing right now. Like how she's talking to the other girls and like getting involved like this.
They are really bad. They all hate her. They always pick on her.
You don't know anything about us either. How dare you?
Talk to you guys like
How
that.
dare you say something like that? And how dare you use that language? It's completely inappropriate, especially for somebody your age.
I can't live here. It's too much.
Why is everyone involved in this? Oh my god, and here comes the AI voice. One person will take responsibility for it. Even though both of them snuck out? Okay, make that... What?
One person will take responsibility for it. And you girls will take a vote to decide who goes home because of this.
Why? What did the girl... What? First of all, robotic, demonic AI voice from the beyond. Why are the other girls involved? Why are they voting on this? Both girls snuck out. Why are you not punishing only one girl? Why are you voting on this? I think I said, why are you voting on this? Why is it a public vote? Like this is Survivor. Okay, guys, vote for who you want off this island. What do they have to do with it? They weren't involved in this. But no, we need everyone's opinion for this. She snuck out. She broke your rules, whatever. Okay, you guys act like you guys are innocent too. The production of the show, acting like you guys don't do disrespectful things or things that could potentially harm the girl. You guys act like you're so innocent and that this is the worst thing someone's ever done. You want me to believe that? Okay, well, I don't. I don't feel bad that they snuck out. I don't really care. I'm not mad about it. I think maybe they were annoyed of being in the house. We don't know the environment that these production teams set up. We don't know. But for them to want to sneak out, that's not the worst thing I've heard, okay? They came back. They came back at the end of the day. She didn't hurt anyone with her actions, right? No one else was affected by this.
Jackie blatantly said she wanted to go home.
Jackie wants this.
It shows that neither of them are really serious about this.
Yeah.
Are you guys the production team?
There's no doubt in my mind that I'm gonna go home. They really just do not like me. No matter what I do, no matter how hard I try, there's no way to please them.
No, they did.
Gossip that I'm too nice to people and that all friends I have will screw me over. It hasn't happened yet, but yeah, I can never be too sure.
They put the votes in like a food bag and are now taking them out one by one to banish one of these girls with a cereal box on the same table.
One person will leave tonight, and this decision was made collectively with the girls in the house.
Okay, that voice,
And that
you gotta
person
stop
that is
talking.
leaving tonight,
They're leaving tonight.
Lynn.
What?
I voted for Lynn to leave rather than Jackie.
Why, Charlotte, why are you smiling? What? I'm sorry. I don't understand why she's being expelled from the house because she snuck out to go use Facebook. That's not that bad, okay? That's stupid. That little voice.
And this decision was made collectively with the...
Why do the girls get to choose who gets to leave? Are the girls working on the show? They're like, we value your opinion. Please choose someone to kick out of this house.
I voted for Lynn to leave rather than Jackie because I want to win because I was the best, not because I eliminated one of the best girls early in the competition.
I voted
She's
Lynn to
really-
go. Is a lesson for her to learn.
What lesson?
I think that I deserve to be here more than the other girl who made the stupid thing. Well, I feel
You better just
disappointed,
walk out,
but
Queen.
There are so many ways to see it, why the girls chose me. Now that this competition is over for me, I don't think I'll be modeling for a while. I'm gonna focus on something that makes me happy, such as music.
She was a bitch to begin with.
Did she just lock the door?
As soon as my back was turned, she would make comments about me during the photo shoot. I was the one that like instigated the whole thing anyway. Oops.
She just said she instigated the entire thing. They went to go hug her after voting her out. Okay, I would not be hugging anybody. And I love that she didn't. She just walked out. And it's sad to hear that she will not be modeling after this. What she was put into was a very toxic environment. Why do you guys think they snuck out? You think if they're having a jolly good time in the house, there would be no need for them to get internet or to go want to drink, whatever it may be. Maybe look at the environment in which they're in. Maybe they wanted to escape that for a little bit. The girls are sitting there on the table oblivious, like, I wonder why she would want to escape this house for the night. You know, with all of our, I know we scream and fight and make fun of each other and are passive aggressive to each other all the time in this house. But I wonder why she wanted to leave for the night and sneak out. I don't understand it personally. Could it be after I said that she's ugly and that she's the terrible model? I'm not sure why she felt the need to sneak out for the night. I don't know. I thought we were so welcoming to her. Remember when you said that she did a horrendous job and that she smells? Remember that? I know. I'm just surprised. I'm as surprised as you are. The environment it seems like a toxic environment that she's in. And maybe she's lashing out because of this negative energy around her. But look, we don't know because we're not in this house. Okay, that's just my interpretation of it. What do you guys think about this whole situation? All I'm saying is I'm not going to take the side of this show like a corporation. I'm not going to take the side of Supermodel Me. Like, oh no, they shouldn't have broken the rules. Like, shit, maybe I would have broken out too if that were me. Just for a break. Who knows?
Jacqueline, I'm going to give you a moment to actually explain yourself a little bit because I really, really, really take issue with what happened. And to me, that's a great disrespect, not only to myself as a host, but also definitely disrespectful to the girls that you have to live with in the house.
It's pretty hard to,
who cares if these girls like you or not? You're in here for a very short period of time. You're just here to perform. You're not here to make friends. You're here to win a competition. And this peeves me off even more.
She's being bullied yet again by now the judges. Oh my God. This is so... you guys are like, you're doing too much.